Hey Jersey lover, this is HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic jersey, Liverpool Home Kit 2025 Player Version. One of the best thing is this video is officially sponsored by PetsReview1.com. Is your go-to online store for high-quality soccer jerseys, tracksuit, and retro sportwear at affordable prices. You can find popular team kits and fan-favorite design with discount prices. Check the description below. Get a special discount. You can save money on your first order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go unboxing with some great music.